Did you know that the brains of the Philippine Revolution was born right here in Batangas? Tara, samahan niyo ako as we explore one of the most important historical museums in the Philippines.
A day in a life as an EMC student.
Vlogger edition.
So for today's video, pupunta tayo sa isang place na hindi lamang basta museum, kundi ito ay puno-puno ng kasaysayan at inspirasyon.
We are here sa Museo ni Apolinario Mabini, located in Barangay Talaga, Tanawan, Batangas. And yes, it is the actual birthplace of Apolinario Mabini, also known as the brains of the Philippine Revolution. So if you're ready,
Tara! So, quick background lang guys, this museum was renovated noong 2014 to better showcase Mabini's life, works, and contributions. Dati, simple lang talaga itong lugar, pero ngayon, ginawa na siyang museum para mas maintindihan natin kung sino talaga si Mabini.
And what makes this special? Hindi lang ito museum. This is literally kung saan siya pinanganak. Imagine that, standing ka ngayon sa exact spot kung saan nagsimula ang buhay ng isang national hero.
You can see, medyo modern na yung structure ng museum ngayon. Clean, simple, and well-maintained. Pero kahit ganon, you can still feel the history here. Parang tahimik siya, pero ang daming kwento.
Try nyo lang mag-pause for a moment and imagine kung anong itsura ng lugar no. Walang buildings, walang technology, just a simple environment where Mabini grew up. Nakaka-amaze lang isipin na from this kind of beginning, may lalabas na ganong klaseng katalinuhan pati contribution sa country natin.
Guys, pasok tayo. Pagpasok mo pa lang, mapapansin mo agad yung exhibit that showcase Mabini's life journey.
Makikita mo dito yung kanyang mga personal belongings, historical documents, and interactive displays.
And what I like about this museum is hindi siya boring and hindi lang siya puro basa. You can actually feel connected to the story.
These artifacts show kung paano siya namuhay, kung paano siya nag-isip, at kung paano siya naging kagalang-galang at mahalagang tauhan sa ating kasaysayan.
Mabini became paralyzed due to illness. Meaning, hindi siya makalakad. And during the time of war, this could have stopped him. Pero hindi siya sumuko. Instead, he became one of the most important advisors during the revolution. While others were fighting physically, he was fighting intellectually. And because of that, he became known as the brains of the revolution.
This is why places like the Museo Apolinario Mabini are very important. Hindi lang siya lumang lugar, it's a space where history is preserved, where stories are told, and where we learn who we are as Filipinos. And guys, bonus pa! Free admission siya, so anyone can visit, learn, and be inspired.
You know, coming here, napapaisip ako. We often complain about little things in life, pero Apolinario Mabini, despite his condition, still choose to serve his country. And paano pag naisip niya na hindi ko yan kaya, or what if he gave up? And that's something that we can take and apply in our daily lives. Na despite our struggles, we can still do something meaningful.
So if you guys have time, I highly recommend you to visit the Museo ni Apolinario Mabini here at Talaga, Tanawan City, Batangas.
And let us continue to appreciate our history, preserve our culture, and be inspired by heroes like Apolinario Mabini.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
See you on our next vlog!
Tara!